Welcome back. I am Pratap here. In this video, let us discuss the statistics of the May month HLQ zone trades. So before we get into the discussion, if this is your first visit, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So from our channel, click on this community tab. Then you will get access to this post which talks about our free training course. And this post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. Just click on this link, you will get into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join the channel. It will be helpful to you. Any other important updates or each time when we release a new video, all the updates we will provide in the Telegram channel. Now let's look into the statistics. May month only 30 HLQ trades are executed. This month is very slow. The momentum in the market is very slow, mainly because of the elections. That's why we got very few trades compared to the earlier months. Earlier months we got around 45 trades we got on average. But in the month of May, we got only 30 trades. But out of 30, 25 trades are successful, only 5 trades are stopped out. And also we got success rate 83.3%, which is above 80%. And also average intraday ROI is 5.04%. I can say the statistics during this month are improved compared to the April. Because April we have seen the least statistics compared to all the earlier months. Average intraday ROI we got only 4% during the month of April. That's the very least figure, because our average last 6 months intraday ROI is 6%. And compared to the month April, this month the intraday ROI is average intraday ROI is improved, but still 1% less than our average intraday ROI, that is 6%. And the success rate is above 80%, good. Only last month we got success rate a little below 80%, but all earlier months we got around 87%, 88%. That way we got HLQ, because we are always claiming HLQ success rate should be above 80%. So this month also we got above 83%. Only month of April we got a little disappointment, but that is okay, because we know that during the election seasons statistics might be slightly varying. Okay, but what about on the elections results day? We have seen close to 6% is down in Nifty. Overall market is down by around 6%. Around 1300 points was down on 4th May, that is the day, 4th June. The results were announced on that day. The general elections results. We have seen a huge volatility changes in the market. Extremely high volatility changes we have experienced in the market. What about high liquidity zones performance during the month, during 4th June? Did they work? Or they are also failed, like how Nifty is down? Some of these doubts you should get, because we've been using high liquidity zones. And also earlier I told you, high liquidity zones will fail on special occasions, rarely. But elections results, our general election results day is a special day, because we expected there is a huge volatility changes. So what happened to the high liquidity zones? First of all, how many high liquidity zones are generated in the previous day? Because I didn't publish the report. And third, the last report I published is on 2nd. Third, I didn't publish. But still, we should be having some curiosity about the performance of high liquidity zones on that day. Maybe you may guess what could have happened to high liquidity zones on that day. So I will explain the performance of high liquidity zones in the next video. What happened to our high liquidity zones? If at all any of the zones are violated, how much loss we got? Or any of other zones violated? Have we predicted before those zones will be violated? Generally, we might be thinking the success rate is almost 0% when Nifty is down by 6%. Market is down by 6%. 5.9, close to 6%. Nifty is down on that day. I'm sure many of us won't be keeping any hopes on high liquidity zones. But still we need to verify. Because I've been claiming high liquidity zones performance is very high. This is the first time we are testing high liquidity zone performance during the election season. We have seen high liquidity zones performance during the results announcement, during the Fed announcement, during any other RBI interest rates or Fed interest rates. Even we have seen during other global related pandemic situations also. We have seen few occasions we got impact. But this is the first time we are going to see what is going to happen to the high liquidity zones on the Indian general election results declaration day. So all these things we will discuss in our next video. So you have to wait till the next video. And I am not fine-tuning the zones that we generated on 31st May that we are supposed to discuss in this video, because only 2 high liquidity zones were identified. None of them are executed. That's why I am limited my discussion only to conclude these statistics, what happened to the month of May. I can say the statistics are satisfactory, because average intraday ROI is, even though 1% less than our average intraday ROI, but May month average intraday ROI we got 5%. 5% is very good, excellent. And success rate is also more than 80%. Actually 3 days were stopped out on a single day. That's why our success rate has been come down to 83. Otherwise we might be having a little more better success rate, because we have seen a trend shift in the market. So on that day everything, all the zones are violated, including high liquidity zones. We have to accept that. Because of that, number has come down to 5. But still, it's a very good statistic, satisfactory. The results are satisfactory. Hope we will have a better month in the month of June. So let's all meet in our next video, very interesting video. So we are going to analyze these stocks on our especially high liquidity zones, on results, election results announcement day in our next video. Thank you.